up, freaks? Death by Proxy here. I thought I would just show you guys how I did the JEVIL voice in the song that I edited and uploaded to my second channel. Here I have a clip of me saying I can do anything and metamorphosis. I would love to play it before and after, but sadly for some reason whenever you play something in one tab on Audacity, then it doesn't do the other. Now, Audacity is a free program that you can download. Probably already have it if you record your voice in videos, because it's what most people use. Yeah, now to do this, first of all, you're gonna need to record yourself saying some stuff or get a song. You can pitch your voice up and down to make it sound better, but I've not bothered. Now you need to install this thing called dBlue Bit Crusher or dBlue Glitch. I already have it, and I'll be leaving a link to it in the description. And you get this zip file, which you will then extract, and it should have these things in it. They all end with DLL. Now, once you've extracted the files, you take all of those and you take them into your Audacity file. You should probably store it in the programs, but I have mine stored under downloads because I'm an idiot. But you should probably have it stored in your C drive in your programs. And as you can see, I've put them in here already. You put them in the plugins folder in Audacity. If you've already installed plugins, you should already know how to do this. Then you then it's in one of these somewhere. You've got to then you go to Analyze, and it says Add/Remove Plugins. Click on that, and where it should, if you click on New, that it should come up with the ones that you haven't added yet. Just change it all to Enabled with this button, which I have already done, and then you should have them installed. You click on Effects, and you should then have them down here. I use the crusher with these settings. With those settings, it should really start to sound almost there, but not quite. For the last bit, you need to go to Effect and add an echo effect with these settings, with the delay time to 0.04 and the decay to 0.6. This is actually also what I use for robot voices as well. It's the same setting, just without the bit crush in the background. And that is it, basically. It's quite easy to do, you just need to install the thing first. And yeah, let's take a look at how it sounds compared to the original in the game.
I can do anything. Metamorphosis.
I can do anything. Metamorphosis.